the third eye, can be used in several ways to reduce both harm and death of our mothers. This is the trend of maternal death in UMPH over 19 years, from 2000 to 2001 to 2020. Between 2000 and 2008, this is the average per 100,000 live births. Well, it's within the national average. So at the point in Maiduguri, we're doing well. So today, the average is 1,285. And look at this peak of 2,000 deaths per 100,000 live births around 2011. So what happened? Boko-Haram. This is the consequence of insurgency. Boko-Haram started in 2009, and up to today, we have not recovered as far as maternal mortality is concerned. When people talk about the casualties as a result of Boko-Haram, people talk about the number of IDPs, the number of migrants, children scampering for safety after bomb blast. And people talk about the 34,000 deaths. Who counts mothers who died in the course of bringing forth the food of the womb? Who takes care of the babies? They are the mothers. And that is why when the mothers die, some of the children will also die as a consequence. This is what we're talking about. We are yet to recover as a result of Boko Haram. Look at the statistics.